Hello, I'm Alan Boo, a senior at Phillips Exeter Academy, and I'm from Albany, New York. So my research project has two parts, so I'll explain the first one to you all. Imagine you're a railway conductor who has a map of cities and who wants to build railroads between these cities so that you can travel from any one city to any other. If your map looked like this, you only need to build this road, this road, this road, and this road to get from this city to this city. And in fact, that's all the railways you need. Now, the number of ways you could build these railways to get from any one city to any other is called the spanning tree number of your graph. And this number has been studied for centuries by mathematicians. Now, it's an unsolved question. What's the biggest number of spanning trees you can have in a graph of a given size? And this question was actually originally asked by statistical physicists to understand the properties of a certain physical lattice. But in my research, I also studied another question involving grids of ones, negative ones, and zeros from linear algebra, a very far away part of math, including mostly computations in algebra. And it turns out when I computed the numbers, they matched up exactly 1-to-1. So the goal of my research is to prove that this connection holds between this more geometric graphical problem and this more linear algebraic computational problem. Now, outside of my research, I love to hike in the summer and ski in the winter. I also like to swim, mostly in the summer, preferably on beaches. Some of my favorite games include Mahjong, as well as any and all card games, especially one called Tractor, if any of you know it. I also really respect my favorite mathematician, Paul Erdos. He's a very prolific writer and prover. And he's proven a lot of really beautiful results, and I hope that one day my results can be on that sort of level. In college, I hope to major in mathematics, of course, but I also really find today's neural networks and machine learning interesting, and I want to be a part of that search for that next neural network architecture that makes groundbreaking progress in this widely accelerating field. So I'm planning to also minor in computer science in college. Thank you all.